Hey friends, this is Renee from Little Village Homestead, and this morning I've got my grandbabies here, so I'm going to make them Dutch baby pancakes for breakfast. So I'll show you how I do it. We'll be right back. Okay friends, I'm back and I'm going to show you how I make Dutch baby pancakes. They're very simple and they are very good. And basically it's just like almost a simple pancake dough. But anyway, we're going to start out with 1 cup of flour. Okay? And into that we're going to add 1 cup of room temperature milk. Then we're going to add 4 eggs. And this can all go in your blender. Now you can do this in your food processor too, or you can do it by hand, doesn't matter. But that, we're going to put, I will measure this for you. We're going to put a teaspoon of vanilla in here. Okay? And a little pinch of salt. Okay, so with that, we're going to turn this on. Maybe, if I get my lid on here right. Okay. It's going to be noisy. Okay, and then we are going to scrape down the sides, because this is quite a runny batter. So now make sure your sides are all scraped there. See that? Okay. Okay, put that back on. That should be good. Now, I've got, you can put them, see here, let me move my camera down just a little bit so you can see there what I'm doing. I put mine in these cute little pie tins. Now you can put them in the cast iron because that's usually what people do, or you can put it in you can put it in anything that's oven proof, basically. They turn out wonderful. But I make these for my grandbabies, so I do, you know, separate. Individual servings. Okay, so I got melted butter here, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to butter the inside of these pans. It'll wind up being about a 1/4 teaspoon of butter, 1/2 teaspoon of butter. I'm going to butter all these up. I've got my oven set to 475 because it's got to be a hot oven. These are really good. These are good served with fruit or syrup. Usually, and I should do a video on it one of these times, usually I do mine with a buttermilk syrup. And I know that sounds horrible, but it really is good. It's not horrible at all. If you tried it, you'd probably love it. It doesn't taste like buttermilk, but it's very good. Anyway, so with my grandbabies, I just use plain syrup. So anyway, I might not even use all 4 of these. I might just use 3. I'm going to put that to about that high. Nope, I'm only going to use 3. So I'll put the other one aside. And there you have it, friends. That's how easy that is. Let's take this one out, because I can wash that and reuse it. So my oven is not quite preheated yet. Actually, yes it is. So I'm going to put these in there, and these are going to bake for about 10 to 13 minutes. So, let me get these in here. Let me time it. 10, 11, 12, 13 minutes. Press start, and when that's done, I will be back. Okay, friends, my timer is getting ready to go off. And I want you to see these as soon as I pull them out of the oven. Okay, it is done. And I want you to see these. I gotta hit the cancel button. They turn out beautiful. Look at them, they're gorgeous. And then, this is real simple. I just brush the tops, because you know, as these cool, they're gonna fall. So I just brush the tops with a little bit of butter, because my grandbabies like a little butter, a little powdered sugar, and a little syrup on them. They're gonna love these. Okay, so I got that. Now, I'm just going to put a little bit of powdered sugar in my screen here. Okay? And just sprinkle them. Oh, they're beautiful. That's it. It is that simple, friends. I'm going to put them on a little plate. Put a little syrup on them. It's not too hot. I'm going to put them on a plate. Put a little syrup on them. See how they've fallen so far? They start falling down, especially this one. It's a shame, but that's the way they are. They're close to a souffle, but they got a custardy center. They're really good. So that's it, friends. I'm going to let my grandbabies have them for breakfast, and thanks for watching.